What's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to be explaining how to convert your Epson EcoTank printer into a printer for sublimation printing. So guys, if you do want to do this, I'm going to tell you now, the process is very, very simple. There are loads of 15 to 30 minute explanation videos on YouTube on how to do this, guys. I'm going to explain it in less than 5 minutes. It's really, really easy. But there are a few things you need to know first before you prep your Epson EcoTank for sublimation printing. Now, the first thing, guys, is that you need a completely brand new EcoTank, okay? This will not work if you have an EcoTank that is set up and has ink in the tanks already, as it's pretty much impossible to flush out the ink completely, and you will want to do this if you're using a sublimation printer, or the inks will get mixed up and you'll have awful results and probably just break the printer. But you need a brand new EcoTank, guys. You need sublimation ink and you need sublimation paper. But that is all you need, guys. And I will warn you guys that turning your EcoTank into a sublimation printer will likely void your warranty. So if you are wanting to return your printer or it breaks, then you will probably not be able to if you choose to do this. But guys, the only thing you need to do is when you are initially setting up your Epson EcoTank is to fill it with sublimation ink instead of the regular Epson ink. That is literally the only thing you have to do, and then you can print on sublimation paper like normal. There is no other steps you have to take to set up your printer for sublimation printing. Now, there are obviously other methods to print sublimation style, guys. You will obviously need the correct software and stuff on your computer and all of these things, right? But for the actual printer part, it's really simple. You literally just fill your printer with sublimation ink. So for example, guys, when you first start up your printer, there's going to be no ink, and you're going to go to the ink initialization stage, or the ink charging phase. Now, once you reach this stage, guys, and if you want to follow along with us whilst you do this, we do have a complete setup guide from unboxing in the description down below. So follow along with that guide, guys, but just make sure you use sublimation ink instead of Epson ink when you're doing the setup. That is all you have to do. Now, I'm just going to show you really quick, guys. All you want to do is take your sublimation ink, as you will have here. You will want to undo the cap, guys. And sublimation ink, guys, they will be they might not have the same nozzle. They should have the same nozzles, actually. So you shouldn't have any trouble for fitting it into your printer. You will just want to lift up the cap on the correct corresponding color, such as magenta, as we're doing here. And you just want to flip it over, guys, onto the ink storage. Now, once you're happy with how much ink you put in, guys, just take it off and make sure you take it off over the cap and flip it up as soon as you can. Sublimation bottles, guys, they might not be as good as the Epson ones. They might spill a little bit. So I'll just recommend doing one at a time, keeping the caps on the other ones on. But that is pretty much it for the tips that I have to give if you are wanting to convert your printer into a sublimation printer. But that is it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. If you do have any questions or comments, guys, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And yeah, thank you guys very much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. That would help us out so much, and we would be very, very grateful. And we just love helping you guys out. We love helping you guys out with your printers. It is what motivates us, guys. And yeah, hopefully we can keep bringing you more videos. So make sure to like and subscribe, as that would help us out. But thank you guys very much for watching. Hope you all have a great day. Always remember, stay printy.